Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Now, 2025 is already shaping up to be a huge year for tech, especially in the world of cybersecurity. We've got some groundbreaking new tools popping up left and right, and today we're diving deep into the top 14 game changers you need to know about in Kali Linux. Whether you're a seasoned ethical hacker or just starting your journey into the world of cybersecurity, trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get right into it. Alright, kicking things off at number 1, we have Specter. Imagine this. You're able to not only capture network packets, but also visualize them in real time with this crazy intuitive 3D interface. Specter uses AI to learn your network traffic over time. It integrates seamlessly with other Kali tools. Specter is a game changer for network security. Next up at number 2, we have Phantom, a tool specifically designed for web application penetration testing. Phantom comes with this super clean and user-friendly interface. It's almost like using your everyday web browser. We're talking about automated vulnerability scanning, SQL injection testing, cross-site scripting detection, you name it, Phantom can handle it. It has built-in tutorials and guided walkthroughs that take you step-by-step through the entire testing process. So whether you're a student just starting out in cybersecurity or a developer looking to beef up your web app security, Phantom is an absolute must-have in your toolkit. Coming in at number 3 is Chronos, a tool straight out of the future. Chronos is all about system restore and forensic analysis, but with a twist. Take a snapshot of your entire system and rewind back to that moment in time. It's a lifesaver for incident response and forensic investigations. Chronos is like a time machine for your computer, revolutionizing cybersecurity. At number 4, we have Cipher, a tool that's all about making encryption dead simple. With Cipher, you can encrypt your files and folders with just a few clicks. They've stripped away all the complexity and jargon, giving you a clean, intuitive interface that anyone can understand. Just select what you want to encrypt, choose your encryption level, and you're good to go. Cipher also integrates directly with your cloud storage services like Dropbox and Google Drive. So, you can encrypt your sensitive files before they even leave your computer, giving you that extra peace of mind knowing that your data is always protected. Cipher is all about making strong encryption accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. Coming in at number 5 is Nexus, your central hub for all things cybersecurity. Access a massive library of documentation, tutorials, and guides. Connect with an active community forum to share tips and tricks. Best of all, Nexus is completely free and open source. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, check out Nexus. At number 6, we have Paragon, a fascinating and terrifying tool. Paragon excels in social engineering, manipulating people to give up sensitive information. It creates convincing phishing campaigns, almost indistinguishable from the real thing. Paragon is valuable for security professionals to test their organization's vulnerability. Simulating attacks helps improve security awareness and overall posture. Paragon is worth checking out for anyone interested in social engineering. For number 7, we're diving into the world of password cracking with a head-to-head comparison of two titans, Hydra and CrackShot. Hydra is known for its speed and versatility. It uses brute force, dictionary attacks, and rainbow tables. CrackShot leverages GPU power for faster cracking. It generates custom word lists from online data. Choose Hydra for versatility or CrackShot for cutting-edge tech. Coming in at number 8 is Revenant, a tool that's all about reverse engineering. Revenant makes reverse engineering more accessible than ever before. It provides a suite of powerful tools for disassembling, debugging, and analyzing software, allowing you to peer into the inner workings of applications and operating systems. Revenant includes a ton of built-in tutorials and examples to help you get up to speed quickly. So whether you're interested in malware analysis, vulnerability research, Or just want to learn more about how software works under the hood? Revenant is an incredible tool to have in your arsenal. At number 9, we have Vanguard, a powerful vulnerability scanner that can help you identify weaknesses in your systems and applications. Vanguard comes packed with a massive database of known vulnerabilities, and it can scan your network, web applications, and even your code to find potential security holes. But here's the catch. Vulnerability scanners like Vanguard can be a bit of a double-edged sword. They can generate a lot of false positives, which are basically alerts about potential vulnerabilities that aren't actually real. Overall, Vanguard is a powerful tool that can be a valuable asset to your security posture. Just be sure to use it wisely, and don't let the fear of vulnerabilities paralyze you. Coming in at number 10 is Aftermath, and this tool is all about incident response. Aftermath is like a time machine for incident response. It allows you to capture a complete snapshot of your system after a security incident, preserving all the evidence you need to investigate what happened. This includes things like system logs, network traffic, running processes, and even the contents of your RAM. Aftermath provides a suite of powerful tools for analyzing the collected data, helping you to piece together the timeline of the attack, identify the attacker's methods, and assess the extent of the damage. In the world of cybersecurity, being prepared for an incident is crucial, and Aftermath provides the tools and insights needed to navigate the aftermath of a breach effectively. At number 11, we have Codex, and this tool is all about code analysis. Codex takes code analysis to the next level by using artificial intelligence to automate the process and improve its accuracy. It can analyze massive code bases in a fraction of the time it would take a human, and it can identify subtle vulnerabilities that might otherwise be missed. Codex provides detailed recommendations for remediating security issues, and it can even generate secure code snippets for you. With the increasing complexity of software, having a tool like Codex is essential for developers and security professionals to ensure that their code is as secure as possible. Coming in at number 12 is Aura, and this tool is all about wireless security. Aura is a comprehensive wireless security toolkit that can help you assess the security of your wireless networks and identify potential vulnerabilities. It can do things like scan for rogue access points, crack Wi-Fi passwords, and even intercept and analyze wireless traffic. Aura has a user-friendly interface, and it comes with a ton of documentation and tutorials to help you get up to speed quickly. So, whether you're a security professional responsible for protecting your organization's wireless networks, or just someone who wants to make sure their home Wi-Fi is secure, Aura is definitely worth checking out. At number 13, we have Redline, a tool that's all about threat hunting. Redline provides tools for collecting, analyzing, and visualizing security data. It ingests data from SIEM systems, EDR tools, and cloud platforms. Using advanced analytics and machine learning, Redline identifies anomalies. It visualizes attack chains to understand and prevent breaches. Redline helps you stay ahead in today's essential threat landscape. And finally, at number 14, we have Valkyrie. And this tool is all about personal cybersecurity. Valkyrie is like having a personal cybersecurity guardian watching over your shoulder. It runs silently in the background, constantly scanning for threats and protecting you from malware, phishing attacks, and other online dangers. Valkyrie is incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be a security expert to set it up or understand how it works. In a world where online threats are becoming increasingly sophisticated, having a tool like Valkyrie is more important than ever for protecting yourself and your data. It's designed for everyday users who want to protect themselves from online threats. So there you have it, guys. Those are the top 14 hacking tools in Kali Linux that are going to be absolutely essential in 2025. From network traffic analysis to AI-powered code analysis, these tools represent the cutting edge of cybersecurity technology. Which of these tools are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.